Hello, and welcome to this first edition of Mr. Chappell's Chemistry Screencasts. Today we're going to learn about how to use screencasts. Over the last few years, I've put together several screencasts that deal with some of the calculations that we do in chemistry. And as you look at the list of the screencasts, the first thing that might come to mind, boy, he really doesn't have a life. And you know, that might be so, but that's not the point. The point is this: screencasts can be a valuable resource if you choose to use them correctly. There definitely is a right way and a wrong way to use these chemistry screencasts. First, let me illustrate the wrong way. Here's a short video of a performance of Rachmaninoff's Piano Concerto No. 3. I personally viewed this video 100 times as I don't have a life. Next, here's what happened when I tried to perform this piece myself. As you can clearly see, just watching the video did absolutely nothing for me, and I now have one fewer fingers. There is a correct way to use these chemistry screencasts, and that is to watch the first problem being done, then stopping the action, then trying to do the rest of the problems using a calculator and paper. It takes longer, but it's really the only way to do it. Here's an example video of a topic we'll be covering in a few weeks. The subject is significant figures. I'll let the video run through the first problem. Now, here we have 6 examples, and let's go ahead and do each one in turn. And for the first one, we go ahead and we put a box around the first and last non-zero digits, and we look for the presence of a decimal point. Now, there are no zeros, so there's not much point in finding the decimal point. And so this guy has a total of 4 significant figures. That's all the digits in the box count. Now notice, I've stopped the action. This gives me time to try the rest of the problem myself. After that, I can run through the rest of the video and see how I did. Remember, you only get good at chemistry by actively doing the problems. Until next time. It's joke time. Did you hear about the crime that happened in a parking garage? It was wrong on so many different levels.